Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffering here, free online, tradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host of the GrokStar Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Let's take a look at a trade that we had in the GrokStar room this morning, just after, well, a little bit after opening, MU, and here's the opening line. Here it was getting tighter and tighter and tighter. This is what we call a descending triangle. The markets were up at first and then they were starting to fall, and so if you take a look here at the ascending triangle in our free chart school at freeonline tradingeducation.com, right there, free chart school, there's a description of it, and here is a picture of it where it's getting tighter and tighter off of some line of support. In this case, it happened to be the pivot line. This yellow line here is the pivot line, and it was getting tighter and tighter here as it did. So I set an order down here that if it broke below this pivot line, I wanted to be short. All right, let's take a look at what happened next, and bam, there we go. And I am short from $24.34 short MU. All right, now let's take our stop, and it's already dropped down here about 15 cents, and so I'm going to pull my stop down here just above this pivot line as a way to protect it, and it's continuing. Then bam, it fell again. Pulling my stop down here now to $24.20, and it broke the $24 mark, and this is the closing line from the previous day. It's a possible line of support, and it did pull back here, now doing a, what's this, a bear pullback here. Got my stop up here, just right up here at the 24.20 area, and it's now above the 20 moving average to protect my stop as well. And oh, this was taking a lot of patience. Again, 24.20 is my stop, and it's the 24.15. Bam, bam, bam. Oh, okay. Well, it's going to be a bit of a snoozer here. Was looking for other trades, doing other trades, and bam, there it goes, and bam, there we are. Now we're in the money. Now we're doing well. So, man, my stop is already there. Now I'm going to pull it down here just above the $24 area, and I'm now in the money. Risk-free trade, bam. Now it's down to $23.60. Now we are cooking, folks, ladies and gentlemen. So I brought my stop down here to the 20 moving average, and just as I did that, it popped up to this 23.80 area. Broke through and got me out at 23.81. So this descending triangle, when it broke down, it kept falling and falling, and then on this pullback here, it pulled back up above the 20 moving average, got me out for 2.1% in 49 minutes. Well, just out of curiosity, what happened after that? It proceeded to fall and fall hard. We end up getting another 2% trade in here before it found support here at the S2 line. Well, these are some of the trades we're doing in the GrokStar room, and if you'd like to join us, you can, 30 days for free. All you have to do is to go to our site, freeonline tradingeducation.com, right there to the chat room page. And then you get the chat room page, go down below, and right here is where you can sign up for the 30-day free trial, and you don't even need a credit card. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffering. As Zig Ziglar says, it is your attitude, not your aptitude, that determines your altitude. Trade well. Have a great weekend.